Hi, my name's Mark, and I'd like to welcome you to TornadoPages.com, TornadoFriends.com, and TornadoFind.com, the first website where you get paid when ads are posted by other people. Each of our websites offer cash flow opportunities for our members in two ways. The first way to make money is by inviting your friends to sign up. The second is when the friends you referred and signed up post an ad on either Tornado Pages or Tornado Find. That's right, we actually pay you when your friends join and post an ad with us. Okay, so what's the catch? You gotta spend $8. Sign up for Tornado Pages today and you will automatically be given unlimited ads, as many as you want. Then copy and paste your affiliate link to as many friends as you want to. When they watch it and sign up, you'll earn a portion of the $8 they pay as a commission for sending them here. And since you introduced them to the site, you'll also receive a commission for any ad they post on the website. Hang on now, let's run the numbers. For every friend you send to this video and sign up, you'll receive a $2 commission. And if their friend decides to sign up, you'll get 25 cents. And for every friend of your friend's friend, you'll get another 25 cents for a full 8 levels of your friends and their networks. You see how easy it is to get paid? After you join, we encourage you to post an ad with us. That's why we also include a 5-cent bonus commission each time someone in your 8-tiered downline uses our website for advertising. Does it cost for advertising? No. You're totally covered with your $8. Post as many as you want. With Tornado Pages, when someone in your 8-tiered downline posts an ad, we pay you a 5-cent bonus commission. Could be anything really. A condo, car, a boat, or even an iPhone. If they post an ad with us, you get paid. Tornado Find works a bit different. You see those sponsored ads on the right-hand side of the search results? Our members can post unlimited ads. We don't make you pay for expensive pay-per-click advertising. So how do you get paid? Well, let's say someone in your 8-tiered downline posts an ad. We'll pay you the 5-cent bonus commission. $2, 25 cents, and 5 cents. Okay, so it doesn't sound like a lot of money, right? Well, that's what we thought until we did a little experiment. Check this out. Say you invited just 3 friends to Tornado Friends, Tornado Pages, and Tornado Find. Multiplied by a $2 commission, well, that would equal $18. And if your 3 friends invited 3 of their friends, that would be $6. And if those 3 friends invite 3 of their friends, that would be $20. If this trend continues, your monthly commission would be a whopping $4,920.75. But hey, you probably have way more than 3 contacts in your email, don't you? It's really that easy, and this is very real money. Whoops, this mathematical example didn't take into account the 5-cent bonus commissions. Go ahead, give it a try. Take the total number of friends multiplied by how many times you think they'll post an ad on either Tornado Pages or TornadoFind.com. This should give you a projected profit goal for the month. And remember, that's in addition to the $4,920 you're already making. Your commissions are paid through AlertPay on the 15th of every month. Be sure to set up your AlertPay account so that you can start getting paid your monthly commissions right away. AlertPay also accepts prepaid MasterCards, so if you don't have a credit card, there is a solution. Once you sign up, you'll want to jumpstart your business by inviting all your friends from websites like Friendster, MySpace, High5, Facebook, Orkut, Twitter, Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, and more with just a click of a button. This will intensify the cash flow opportunity by sending them a message. That way you hit the ground running with traction right away. The Commission tab is located in your member profile. Log in tomorrow to see how much money you've already made. Remember to give us some feedback so we can post your testimonials on the sign-up page. This will help you promote your business further when your friends see how well you are doing with the program. You know, this last decade has been amazing with all of today's free-based websites. But can a free website actually cost you money? While these websites make record-breaking profits, they give very little back to their free members, if anything at all. We challenge the next decade to bring a new way of thinking. Welcome to the next generation of websites that give back to their members. All I'm saying is spend the $8 and give it 30 days. We can help to accelerate your business in just minutes by offering training, live webcasts, and more. We are here for you every step of the way. Tornado Pages, Tornado Friends, and Tornado Find has lots of great features. So, the only question I should be asking you is, have you got $8?